Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you exactly what you'll need to start your very own spray paint mural. I'm going to give you a full list of supplies and I'm going to explain everything that you'll need along the way so that you don't forget anything. Alright, now let's get to it. For those of you who have not been to my channel before, welcome. I'm Jenna Rice and I am a muralist in Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm just a full-time artist traveling around, making stuff, doing things, and I wanted to teach you what I've learned along the way so that you can skip all that trial and error, that I had to go through to figure out how to do all the things. Feel free to also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Jenna Rice Art. I am at Jenna Rice Art on all of the platforms, so please feel free to follow me there. And if you have any questions about the video, drop those in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, well, let's get to the video. So I went ahead and separated your mural painting day checklist into 4 categories. First, basic items. All right, so here I have, phone keys, wallet, also, of course, a COVID mask, just in case you need one. I don't know when you're going to watch this video, so that's funny. Anyway, so also my iPad. I also have a strap attached to that for when I work, and a portable charger. I have a really nice one that can charge all of my devices. Also, of course, don't forget all of your chargers for all of your devices. Under basic items, I also have audio and visual equipment. So I have audio here with a portable speaker and its charger, and my AirPods, which I love, and their charger as well, and also a little mini ring light for my phone. Also, for your basic items, bring a cooler, fill it with all the Gatorade and water you'll need. So next category, spray paint accessories to go along with all of your spray paint. I like to keep a toolbox full of a bunch of things. In here I have gloves at the bottom, all sorts of gloves, reusable and not. I also carry a couple different kinds of stencil caps. One is the tiny pink stencil, and my favorite, the crew line stencil. If you have questions about those, please put those in the comments below. I will be happy to add a video about those later. But I also keep like new nose pliers, box cutter. I also have hand sanitizer, the works. And of course, be sure to bring your masks. We have a half face mask, a full face mask as well if you're going to be doing anything indoors. Over here I have a huge thing of caps, all sorts of different caps. I will go over all the different kinds that I use in another video. And also, don't forget filters, extra filters. I have a whole bag of them in here. Yep, a whole bag of filters. Be sure to change your filters as often as you feel necessary. Once you start to smell that spray paint, change it out. Also, acetone. Spray acetone is great. If you don't have spray acetone on hand, which you usually need to buy online right now due to COVID, you can go to Lowe's or Home Depot and get Goof Off. This stuff works just the same as spray acetone when it comes to cleaning out your caps, and I will have a video about how you do that later. Also, bring any stencils you may need. I like to use this one for my signatures. Now for our third category, equipment and tools. First, I like to bring an entire bag of Posca markers and other graffiti markers for details. Also bring any lighting equipment you may have, with cords or without. And of course, for those with cords, bring an extension cord or 2. Also a variety of tarps. I also like to keep a couple yardsticks on hand. I use them for a variety of reasons, but I can explain that later. I'd also suggest getting one of these bad boys, a beach wagon for your stuff, a canopy or some sort of umbrella to shield you from the sun, and tape. I like to always have painter's tape, duct tape, and contractor's tape on hand. And finally, for the fourth category, touch-up supplies. So I suggest bringing a bunch of supplies that I mentioned in the last video, including your paintbrushes, your bucket paint, and a few things that I already mentioned. Also be sure to not forget your paint roller extension pole if you have one, your paint rollers, and a bottle opener to open paint silly. Oh, and also a very important thing. Be sure to bring business cards. You never know who's going to pop up. All right, so there we have it. There's my car packed with all my stuff. I'm ready to go to my spot. Do you feel more prepared now? I sure do. Don't forget that I've also added a free PDF checklist that you can download in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now, please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. I will be coming out with new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for the rest of the year, and some other supplementary videos in between. Also, click that notification bell just in case I drop an extra special video. Also, be sure to click that like button if you liked the video. I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to really take over this platform finally. Anyway, so remember to stay peaceful, as a calm mind is a creative mind. Now go get inspired, be an influence, and make something beautiful today. Peace.